Up first this evening, the government has responded to the comments made by the opposition about the colours chosen for new police bikes being delivered to the police.
But in that response, the government has also indicated that the colour will be used on other vehicles used by the police.
TVJ's Anthony Log has that primetime news story.
Come next week, Jamaicans will see increased police presence in town centres island-wide. This follows the launch of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch and the handing over of new motorbikes.
So the JCF naturally is responding and continues to respond to the varying needs of our citizens, as overall we seek to improve and make better our business district, our corridors, thereby enhancing the overall safety of our people.
Also in attendance, the Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang, and Opposition Spokesman on National Security Fitz Jackson. Wednesday's launch has been clouded by controversy over the color of the bikes. Earlier this week, Opposition Spokesman on National Security Fitz Jackson blasted the government, arguing that it was a flagrant attempt to politicize the police force. But speaking with our news center on Wednesday, Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang brushed aside that assertion, explaining that the rationale for the color is to enhance visibility, adding that police in other countries use neon-colored vehicles.
On the light spectrum, it is found to the most visible section of the spectrum and the least intrusive, in the sense that you have others maybe as bright, but they tend to be distracting. So it gives you the highest visibility with the least distraction, relatively speaking. So that is how the engineers were testing, and that's the reason why a large number of countries use seen it as the best high visibility color for public safety officers.
Dr. Chang added that the neon colors could reduce conflict.
Public safety and traffic management is part of what you're trying to achieve. There is deterrence in it. That you don't want to lock up everybody on the road. So essentially, you build a relationship with the community, and when the community see one of those vehicles and one of those police ones, they see them at a distance. So rather than stand up at the roadside and block up the road and you have a fight, then get out of the roadway.
Despite the opposition having an issue with the color that was chosen, Dr. Chang said the JCF will be equipped with more neon-colored vehicles.
The motorcycles and the uniform, as you see, the vest, the same color, and the motor vehicles will have a mix of blue and the bright color. We're discussing public safety. We choose technically the best equipment for them, which includes the high visibility color, which is being used by most jurisdictions who have moved towards this kind of public safety operation.
Anthony Log, TVJ News.